I had Tyler over Executive hit me up. He said, I want to send you some shirts for a quick shout out. So let's unbox this bad girl. Thanks for jumping on board, Jackson. Really appreciate your help and give exposure to Executive. Enjoy the fresh threads. Keen to see you repping. Keep pursuing passion, from Tyler. Cheers, bro. You're a legend. All right, first shirt here. Got Executive on the back, on the front. Second shirt here. Got the Executive on the front. Big one on the back. All right, this is the first one. Fits really, really good. This is a large, so have to get a large for my big frame. You know how it is. Second one. All right, shout out to Tyler. Thanks for sending these shirts, mate. If anyone's interested in this brand Executive, link will be in description. They're good shirts, mate. Go get one. If anyone out there has like a brand or anything they want to send me, my PO box information is in the description of pretty much all my videos. So yeah, yo, it is like really raining right now. Whoa, look at all the rain hitting that roof over there. You know what I feel like doing in the rain right about now? Oh, I'm just glad I could get all that yard work done before Mum gets back. Day for it.
It's like 1 AM. We're gonna go door knocking tonight. We're mic'd up. Let's fucking get this bread. Let's just fucking see what happens, eh?
Yo, that guy was fucking pissed. Nah, he just went off his nut, man. It was fucking hilarious. Bro, he checked the window like 4 times. Just here in IGA going shopping.
Okay, this is my mate Steve Philp, great comedian, sure, but he's also got some wacky ideas. He's got a theory that you can get in anywhere with a ladder under your arm.
Just walk straight in. It's all good in there, mate. Yeah, mate, we're all good up here. How's it going, sir? Yep, we're all good up here, mate. The exit sign's all good, guys. Alright, we're here at the fucking, this place, the Riley Crystal Brook Hotel it's called. I don't know, we're just walking around. We're just gonna go and see if we can go and chill in there for a bit, have a feed maybe. A few beers or something, eh? That's lit. Wow. Mate, look at the area we're in right now. What a vibe. Oh my god. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
No worries.
Oh, look at this opportunity. That's an opportunity. Opportunity. Bit of back pain, mate. Oh. 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 Today's Wednesday. It's my friend Joe's birthday. He doesn't have a license, so I'm gonna go pick him up and go take him to lunch. Here he is. Holy, aggressive. Apparently, one beer is the equivalent to eating 7 slices of bread. He's a happy boy. Alright, thank you everyone for watching. Thanks Tyler over at Executive for sending over the shirts. Really appreciate it. I'm going to see you all in the next one. Goodbye.